Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called Passively. In this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this product Passively is about. And also I included some exclusive bonus for you to help you to boost your result. And then I will go through the members area. Lastly, I will go through what is the price and upsell as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what is exactly the Passively? In this, and also is a brand new method to make daily $1,000 passive income, working just 1 hour per day using organic free traffic without facing camera, without facing camera or any previous experience. It's also a 100% complete system. All you have to do is to learn and skill in one place. So what is exactly this product is all about is, and how you can build a SEO search engine newbie friendly SEO review website. This also you can other than you don't have to just like me to review the product for video. You can review it in your own blog. This your blog that is your website is mainly for focused on review the product. I highly recommend. But if you are interested in how to promote different offer as product review, so please stay with me, and I will also have some exclusive bonus for you to help you to make more commission. So let's take a look at what is my bonus page. So if you are my bonus number one. You will get a training course, easy passive 3 days. Bonus number 2, you will get another training course, the lost code. Bonus number another course, the secret weapon. 4, you will get another training course, 0 hour work days. Bonus number 5, you will also get another course, training course, the cones. It's also you will get all my 5 exclusive bonus. This is also you can this is training course completely free. You can learn how to make more commission and also how to drive traffic. If you just purchase any for front end, you will get my 5 exclusive bonus. But I remind you, if you are a purchase seller, I also have another OTO exclusive bonus for you. Let's take a look. OTO bonus number 1, you will get a list building expert. Discover the secret methods of how to build a huge list of hungry subscribers, either to learn and buy everything you got. This is on my OTO bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, you will get 100 e-course publishing tips. They will help you successfully publish follow-ups or auto-responsive e-course that you can use as freebie or paid products. People to subscribe to your opt-in list, and it will show you how to increase your traffic, sales, and affiliate commission. Bonus number 3, you will get speedy context publishing tips. This is also very helpful for your have a website and how to use to publish your blog post. Is what you will discover and inside in this one. Time saving tips, how to write quickly, backing up by researcher, 6 tips to make the research fast and painless, organization method. Also, you will also get my bonus number 1, number 4, in slide share tips video. You will learn the secrets to get free traffic. This free traffic for slide share into your online business easily, working just a few hours a week. This is also very easy for you to get started. Just like YouTube allows users to upload and share videos, SlideShare allows users to upload and share slideshows. And you will got all my exclusive bonus, OTO, 4 OTO bonus if you pick up any upsell as well. So let's take a look at what is the area. Let's take a look what is the inside the members area. Passive inside members area. You will have 5 modules, module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Module 1 you will have come to this is also a very common welcome image and welcome message. Overall of the system, how this system works, this is also mindset and planning. Module number 2 you will get a successful passive income example. Basic tool required. Buy domain and hosting. This is they also like the holder and also have the best private deals for members. Install the WordPress. This is the basic. Module number 3 you will have the basic setting. Install themes. Install important plugins. Create menu, category, and themes customization. Create a professional logo. Module number 4 you will customize sidebar. 5 high converting affiliate offer. That is also a very important. You have to find something that you have to promote. Request for approval, because some of the platforms like JVSU and WordPress, if you are new and no sales, it's not easy for you to get approval to promote their product. This video is much more important. How you can get approval for your request. Collect important information from JV page. Get 30 bonus PL products. This is also how to increase your conversion. If you and to offer bonus for your product, this is also to increase your conversion. How to turn a visitor or a subscriber into a customer. Module 5 you will write review article. Create search console account. Submit on SEO Google. And then what is the next? This is also how you can write your article and submit to search on Google and how to get an organic traffic from Google. And that is all. Also you upgrade. It's also an upgrade. If you have, they also we will review to you what are the upgrade. If you don't upgrade you can upgrade inside the members area. And also they also included resources and bonus. As they remember that in the bonus page, as they stated in the sales page, this is all about what is you will learn inside the members area. So lastly, I will take a look what is the price and the upsell as well. So let's take a look what is the price and upsell as well. So passively is a step-by-step training system to build a professional SEO friendly product review website from scratch without memory, and you will get generate free organic target traffic by a list, because you will build a list from the page, chat box, subscriber, and sales. You should just 1 hour per day and making a passive income. What is the bonus? They also include 5 exclusive bonus. Bonus number 1, affiliate marketing blueprint 2.0 is worth $197. Bonus number 2, message chatbot and marketing blueprint is also $197. Bonus number 3, you will get a trial building mastery is worthy $2,497. Bonus number 4, you will get a lead generation mastery is worthy is $297. Bonus number 5, you will get a personal branding blueprint is worth $197. Bonus number 6, you will get an internet traffic blueprint is worth $297. Bonus number 7, you will get an exclusive monthly is worth is worth $97 per month. Is a membership. You can join our internet leadership and private social community. And bonus number 8, you will get worthy and month and $197. You will get a private weekly mastercard. You will get they will have you will have the weekly mastercard to ask anything about this in internet marketing and make money online. This is also a very awesome. You will get you just get a one price, and also you will include 8 exclusive bonus. Also I also have my 5 exclusive bonus. If you just pick up the front end, if you pick up any and upsell, and I also included 4 exclusive bonus for you. So let's take a look at what is the price and upsell as well. The front end is just $70. This is no brainer. you will learn much more and how to build your website and you can see this ton of the training video that you can learn from data inside the members area. And upsell number 1, you will get a pro advanced training $37. It also comes with downsell $27. You will learn advanced customization and make a full SEO friendly website and how to rank page within 1 hour on Google. You will generate thousands of free organic traffic and also you will build a 3,000 of buyer list. Upsell number 2, you will get instant commission machine for $57. It will also come with $37 with downsell. It's the step-by-step training method how you can make an instant commission using Google Ads without any email list. And also they will show you how you can deliver your email ads to your customer inbox without any email list. And you can run Google Ads for promoting affiliate products and making thousands of dollars every single day. Just set up one-time campaign. And also the upsell number 3, you will get a passively resale license $77. You will get a downsell $57. This also you can sell it for yourself and you can sell this whole course to your brand name with your price. This also you can rebrand this as your name and also you can resell it any price that you want. Last upsell is unlimited traffic sooner $97. It also come with $57 for downsell. You will generate this is simply put your pixel code to their upcoming launch product sales page and then you will start receive unlimited traffic and then also you will become their beta tester for every launcher. You will get free access for every launch they are launcher. Okay, in my opinion, I highly recommend that you can grab upsell number 1 because you will get about how to advanced training, how to customize and also to generate thousands of free organic traffic and also build your email list. I highly recommend that you can grab it with downsell $27 because you don't have to pay anything. You have to how to generate the free organic traffic. You don't have to pay anything. And also the upsell number 2 you have upsell number 2 you want to boost your result because you have instant commission machine. You can have a downsell $37 because you will learn how to use Google Ads. You don't have any email list. You can how to use Google Ads to also to deliver your ads into your customer inbox. This is also very easy for you if you don't have a huge email list. This is all can help you to boost your result very easily. And also you can run this to promote affiliate product and just for one-time campaigns. It's also easy for you to make more instant commission if you grab this for use this Google ad and how to put your affiliate product inside your in your customer inbox. This is also very easy for you to do that. They will teach you step-by-step training how to do that. I highly recommend that you want to boost your result. You can grab this instant commission machine for $37 for downsell. So this is also the benefit you can use 100% complete free. You can get buyer clicks for sales. It's free traffic method. It's also you can brand new and test by big gurus. It's also very easy for you to do this if you follow the step-by-step inside the members area. So also I have let's recap what my exclusive bonus for you. I have 5 exclusive bonus if you pick up front end. Bonus number 1, easy passive payday training course. This is a training course, video training course. Bonus number 2, you will get the lost code. Bonus number 3, you will get a secret weapon. Bonus number 4, you will get a 0-hour workday. Bonus number 5, you will get another training course at the cons. You will get 5 exclusive training videos to help you to boost your commission and traffic as well. If you just pick up my front end. If you pick up any OTO, I also have 4 exclusive bonus for you. OTO bonus number 1, list building expert. OTO bonus 2, and 100 e-course publishing tips. OTO bonus number 3, speedy content publishing tips. OTO bonus 4 啦， you will slide share tips video 啦 and also you will get all the exclusive bonus 咧 from the vendor 啦 before the countdown timer hit 0. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you 啦 simply click the link below in the description 啦 the first thing that they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, simply click any blue button, go through the sales page, and you purchase, and you will get my 5 exclusive bonus for you. This is also our training video course. If you pick up any upsell, but I highly recommend you can at least pick up upsell number 1 and upsell number 2, and you will get my 4 exclusive bonus for you. If you pick up any upsell. So lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than I have a daily product review and also have the marketing tips and also make money online tips and on my playlist don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you would and I like if you and support my YouTube video. I hope you will subscribe and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.